All right, buckle up. Today I'm counting down the top 5 fastest supercars of 2025. Trust me, these machines are absolute rockets. Let's get into it. At number 5, we've got the McLaren Sabre, 218 miles per hour, twin-turbo V8, basically a street-legal spaceship. The acceleration? It'll pin you to your seat before you can even blink. Sliding into spot number 4, Bugatti Chiron, Super Sport 300 Plus. Yeah, the name's a mouthful. 304 miles per hour. Bugatti keeps pushing the limits, an icon for a reason. Number 3, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, theoretical top speed, 330 miles per hour. That's almost unreal. Plus, the design is absolutely stunning. Number 2, Hennessy Venom F5, gunning for 311 miles per hour, pure raw power. If you love speed, this is your dream. And finally, the king of speed for 2025, SSC Tuatara, claimed at 331 miles per hour. That's right, 331. Fastest production car claim on the planet right now. It looks like it's from the future. So, which one would you take for a spin? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to follow for more insane car content.